Okay, Drew.
Yes.
It's been a while since we did a video.
Yes.
And it's been a while since I've seen you. It's been at least a couple months. I think I missed you last time, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Traveling in LA, acting, this, that. How your back feeling? What's going on?
Horrible. It's just like, I think stress, and then I've been doing like a lot of movies with stunt.
Oh, wow.
So like
you do your own stunts?
Well, no.
Okay,
So hold on. I mean, I have a stunt double.
Okay.
But I like to be active and method and do as much as my work.
Okay.
So I did, and I kind of
amazing.
jammed my Achilles, so my foot's been swollen, which then threw off I feel like it threw me off. And then the stress and everything and flying and all that, it's like my neck is
There's a lot of that. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, I got you.
Literally.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so let me put this a little higher. Okay. So arms down. Let's do one standing. Oh my God, it is horrible. It's fucking bad. Sit down here.
Worse than the first time?
This is like the worst I've seen.
Oh my God! No! Oh, you gotta jump on the table for this.
This is gonna be a mess. Right there. Close this and drop your head into my hand.
Whoa! Oh my God! Jesus.
Okay.
Israel. Oh.
It's called the Soul Ripper. And then it comes across this way. Drop. Squeeze. Squeeze harder. Squeeze harder. Squeeze harder. Stuck. It's jammed. I don't think that popped, honestly.
It did. Oh, it did. Did y'all hear it?
I don't know what I heard.
I felt it.
Yeah, okay. As long as you felt it, that's good.
I'm trying to recalibrate. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That was intense. I'm starting to get hot. Is it hot there?
No, it's your toxins, energies all coming out.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. See, nobody can match my adjustments.
Nobody in the world.
Nobody in the world.
Trust me, I've been around the world.
I mean, that's true.
I know.
I appreciate that. Yeah. Let's go under stunt. Let me grab the other mic. Listen, that's what I'm telling you. I'm made for TV. Nobody has discovered me. I'm telling you, I'll blow up. I'll be like the next Dr. Pimple Popper, for sure.
Yeah,
for sure. I'm going to get discovered today. Oh, say it again.
Discovered today.
Today. I'm going to discover today. All right, let's go on your stomach. All right, let's do it. Drew's going to discover me. Okay, we're going to give all the credit. Amen. Let's go. Okay. She believed in me first day. She knew I was made for TV. Okay, here we go. Breathe. Breathe out.
Oh my God. What?
What was that? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my God. Drew, how'd you know I was here this weekend if I didn't text you?
You DM'd me.
Oh, I did DM you. Oh, okay, good. I knew I'd message you somehow. Okay.
Did that do what it needed to?
No.
Yeah.
It will be enough though for just we can't force it. This will be big. Okay. So right now let's do this. Let's see what your hips look like. Let's go from this angle. Drew, good Lord, Drew is dead. 1, 2, bend this knee. Yeah. Okay, that's better.
Wow.
Yeah, that's huge.
Oh wow.
I know. It's like locked, unlocked. Bend this knee. Yep. Okay, there we go.
Wow.
That was a big difference.
My body can move.
Let's stay right here, sir.
You don't realize how locked you are. Like, you don't.
Seriously, they don't know. Face me on this side, like you're sleeping on your shoulder.
Oh.
Let's see what you're doing here. Yeah, that's good.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, that's all the toxins. Yeah. Let's see here. Here.
I'll go my back.
Oh, that's fine. Okay. Stuck right here.
Oh, yes. Now that felt good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that was
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Flip, turn this one.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it just opened up my breathing.
Yes, it is.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's your rib cage. It's funny. Let's put it. God. Okay.
Yo. Yeah.
I don't know how you're walking. Lay on your back.
I know.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Not walking very well.
Yeah.
Clearly.
Okay. Drop. God.
Oh.
No mercy.
He said no to mercy.
No mercy. No mercy at all. Drop. Got it.
Yep. That was great. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh,
now.
man. I'm like really sweating. I can feel the heat coming.
Yeah, that's good. Let's get it out of your system. And right through it.
Mm.
Right.
Mm.
Close your teeth. Don't bite your tongue.
That was life changing.
Yo, that was.
What? Oh,
I don't know.
body.
Yeah. How far down did you feel that?
I feel it. It's still going. Like down my back, my rib cage. Like it opened up my breathing over here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That felt good, huh?
Yeah.
So your eyesight got better.
Yeah.
You see brighter.
Like clarity.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know?
That was like the base of that's like the brainstem.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay.
Very
good.
clear.
Hallelujah.
Oh my God. I don't even know I had that many places to crack.
Mm-hmm. It was bad.
Yep. Sorry. My whole body went.
Yeah. Don't get too close. Your ass gonna get whooped here.
Hit the camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now,
Yo.
turn. Good.
I can never go this long without seeing you.
I know. Don't let it get this bad like this. Okay, hold on. Both hands behind you now.
Oh, I hate this one.
I know, you need it though. Close your fingers into each other. Look down.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, that fixed my posture.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God.
That was wild.
Insane. That was incredible. That's probably like the best.
Yeah. See that? You were like, I don't like this one. Now you're like, this was the best one.
Yeah, that actually was. For real.
Yeah, okay, good. Let's come back against the wall right here. Let's do a recap.
I'm so happy right now.
Yeah, you see your whole mood change.
My whole energy changed.
Mm-hmm. That's really good. I think that like if you talk about like chakras, there were some issues there. There was some stuff that was like clogged, and then you had a lot of toxins from you. And I might not put this part obviously in there, but just between me, because of your work.
Yeah.
Is stressful and it's supposed to be drama.
Yeah.
And and I won't put this on here, but just generally speaking, it's a lot of negativity.
Yes.
And so you're capturing a lot of negativity in your body. So it's bad. This way you've got to go through it because it's bad for your mental health. Like it's even if you know it's a joke, even if you don't think it's real, you say it enough and it happens to you enough, it becomes real to you.
You put it in the universe.
Yeah. So you're just capturing this and you're just clogging it in your body. That's why we gotta release it.
Yep.
And you can see how your mood changed and everything like that.
My complexion's probably right.
Yeah, for sure.
Stretch your body, stretch your life.
Yes,
That is a
I
real,
like that.
that's how I feel right now.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, mobility is key. So what do you say to people that are scared to see me?
Oh my God, scared of what? Scared to brighten your future? Like, what are we scared to open you up?
Yeah.
To manifest everything? Like,
Amen
to feel good? Like, I honestly feel better, lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Nice to come. Appreciate you.
God,
That was amazing.
I love
I love you too.